Hunkydory's Birth Flowers collection has beautiful flowers for all 12 months of the year. With over 150 die cuts, it makes at least 24 cards, and you're seeing the inspiration sheet here. And what it is they have chosen the flower that's designated, like the official flower for July is Delphinium, so you'll get those die cuts. For August, it's Gladiola, so you'll get that. And then that's the way the whole kit works. There's a sheet for every month of the year, and then you're getting inspiration here. You're getting different ideas on how to use those. You get that on the front and on the back, so that's pretty nice. And then we get into the foiled die cuts. Over 150 gold foiled die cuts. And they start here with January is Carnation. And with Hunkydory, you're always getting these fun, really beautifully cut edged die cuts, and these are nested, so you're getting several in a frame in many of these die cuts. You get tags, you get sentiments, and on these, each one of these pages is going to be a little different. It's going to talk about the flower. Carnation talks about what it's all about how tall it gets, etc. A little description of it. But then you also get greetings, sending birthday wishes to a special friend. And then it talks about those born in January are said to be ambitious, attentive and organized, loyal and dependable friends. You're going to get something like that with every month. So I'm not going to read every one, but that's how it works. So carnations for January. You get violets, beautiful violets with gold foiling. In February, those are absolutely beautiful. Love that little box there. Kind of old-fashioned looking a little bit, some of those images. You get daffodils for March, and we're in March. Okay, those born in March, there's the little tag, and they have them in different shapes too, which is lots of fun. Each one of these are not going to be exactly the same shape. For April, you get sweet peas. Very pretty with pinks. I like that about this. You're getting all different colors because you have those different flowers for every month. You're getting Lily of the Valley for May, roses for June, delphinium, blue delphinium for July with those gorgeous looks. And these pop out, the centers of these pop out, so you could create a window for those. Some of those you could foam tape and lift up a little bit. For August, you get gladiola. Beautiful, love those ovals. Asters in September. October, marigolds. For November, you get chrysanthemums. And December, you're getting poinsettia, so that's kind of cool. If somebody has a birthday in December, you're ready to go. Quite a few birthday sayings. You also have some that just say made with love. Have a wonderful day, celebrate. So you're getting a selection of different sentiments. You're also getting 12 sheets of gold foiled Adorable Scorable. Now there's going to be one of these for each one of those months. It's going to match those cards perfectly. You'll be able to cover your card with this, and there always seems to be lots left over that you can put, on the edge of a card or make a new card of your own, and there always seems to be extra die cuts. That's what I found whenever I'm using a Hunkydory kit. These are A4 sized, 8 1/4 by 11 5/8, and they're 350 GSM weight, nice and heavy duty. You can hear that. So one of these for each month, they will match the flowers. There's the poinsettia, and here are more of them. We get 12 altogether of the gold foiled, and then you get 12 printed. They're the same weight, but these are printed without the gold foiling. Still so beautiful. I love that they have the borders on there, so it naturally has a border for you, and you're going to be able to match these up really easily with the flower die cuts that you already saw. I'm just going to get through these and show you some examples. And I love the inspiration sheet because it gives you lots of ideas of how to use these, but here are a few more ideas. So here's with the gladiola, and just beautiful. And now we removed the piece that's in between these two, the gold frame, and you can use that gold frame somewhere else, maybe even on a scrapbook page to frame a photo. And so just easy to layer these, to foam tape them up a little bit, place the cardstock on the front of this card, and then you can place more on the inside. So just beautiful. It's a gorgeous look. It's easy to do, and I'm going to turn it over because it looked like it was used a little bit on the back too. You can just fold it over the top. So that's very pretty. I like the offset of this one. Just turn it a little bit using those asters. Happy birthday to you. Just add a little bit of dazzles, and that's really fun. And then we have the marigolds. Again, offset, but it's just really easy to create something unique, and that gold foiling really is stands out. And oh, this is kind of a special thing. I'm going to open it up here, and it looks like on the inside here it will prop up and stand up just like so. So it's a different kind of an easel card with that little piece on the inside. October's birth flower, marigold. So they are great for birthdays, but they're really great for any occasion too, because you've got all those sentiments. And that's Hunkydory's Birth Flowers collection.